Las Brisas house by Abarca Palma Arquitectos in Navidad, Chile. A wooden house like the ones in the countryside where Miguel lived, like the ones he used to build with his father. A house like those in the central zone of Chile, a rural house with a corridor. More or less, this is what we tried to do, precisely a house like this in a rural environment, but with an urban designation, on a plot facing the Estero Navidad, a stream that overflows in winter and floods the immediate surroundings, a plot that also borders the local plantations and close neighbors. This wooden house is raised to avoid flooding from the overflow of the stream and to seek distant views towards the sea, but also to generate a shaded space, an intermediate space covered by the entire house, inhabited between the repeated wooden structure in serialized modules, a framework that organizes the structure, the intermediate spaces, the circulation, and the interior space. A structure that is not only a structure but also the envelope of the house that ends with a roof, supported by trusses that are the continuity of the base structure. This envelope constructs a perimeter distanced from the interior space, the intermediate space that surrounds almost the entire house. A wide corridor with terrace dimensions that extends all the interior rooms of the house. Inside, we seek to eliminate hallways and circulation, generating a central space that connects both bedrooms and that finally, it is the corridor that connects them all. This house is a version of our Modular House 01 project, where we insert new variables into the equation of repetition, prefabrication, carpentry in work, and spatial modules. The structure of the house was entirely built with impregnated pine wood in different dimensions, sourced from local suppliers in the Navidad area. The interior space was built with SIP panels for floor panels, walls, and roof slab. This whole system of repetition and standardization led us to build this house in just 3 months, thus generating a considerable economy in all construction processes.